Hello students, now we will start with Animal Kingdom introduction part. So under Animal Kingdom, in this complete chapter, we will read about different types of animals starting from invertebrates to chordates, means vertebrates. So first we will see an outline of animal classification. Outline of animal classification. We know that all animals are studied under the kingdom Animalia. So in taxonomy, one of the taxon is kingdom, that is Animalia. Animalia, also called as metazoa. We can define metazoa as the taxon or the kingdom, animal kingdom, in which the organisms whose body is made up of cells, but those cells are meant only up to the cellular level, and also in some types of later organisms, these cells are differentiated into tissues, organs, and organ systems, etc. So metazoa includes organisms in which cells are differentiated into different types of tissues, organs, and organ systems, basically having digestive cavity, we can also call it as the coelom part, also lined by specialized cells. So this metazoa is nothing but other term for kingdom Animalia. Metazoa includes, we have written here about the organisms. We'll write that one, the same thing in a short form. Include cellular, next tissue grade, next organ level, and organ system level of organisms. This was classified into subkingdoms. Those subkingdoms are given terms as parazoa and eumetazoa. What are organisms that are included under parazoa? Parazoa includes the organisms that are not having true differentiated tissues. So there is no true differentiated tissue. Under eumetazoa has true differentiated tissue. Under parazoa, examples taken are sponges. So we can tell like sponges are cellular level of organisms. Cellular level of organisms. Next, they are asymmetrical, means body is not divided into two halves even though when we cut in any plane, and are acoelomates. There is no coelom in their body. Coming under eumetazoans. Under eumetazoans, these are considered as the true animals. They have true differentiated tissue. These eumetazoans are again classified or differentiated into bilateria, or bilaterians, and radiata or radial symmetry containing organisms. Radiata. Under radiata, we see different types of organisms like cylinderates, cnidarians, and adult echinoderms. These are diploblastic. We will see terms meanings in clear one by one. Next, these are exhibiting tissue level of organization. Next, these are also considered as acoelomates. Under radiata, the examples studied are cylinderates. Next, cnidophora and adult echinoderms. Under bilateria, what is meant by bilateral symmetry? When we cut the body into left and right halves or left and right planes, then we should get two equal halves. So under this, the examples studied are from Platyhelminthes phylum to chordates. In this we see organisms are triploblastic, means they have the three germ layers developed into three different types of layers. And here we see organ and organ system level of organization. These bilateria are again divided into three different types of different categories. One is acoelomates, means not under radiata or parazoa. Here also there are some organisms that are exhibiting acoelomata nature. Second one, pseudocoelomates. Third one, coelomates or coelomata. Acoelomata we can write. Under this, under acoelomata, Platyhelminthes are taken as examples. Under pseudocoelomata, Aschelminthes or Nematyhelminthes or nematodes are taken as example. Nematyhelminthes or Aschelminthes or nematodes are taken as example. Next, under coelomates, starting from Annelida and young echinoderms are also considered here. Those are also considered as enterocoelomate organisms. To chordates. Here I will write few examples like Annelida, molluscans, and arthropoda. These are considered to be having schizocele, means true coelom. Next, echinoderms, hemichordata, in which belanoglossus is studied. Next, chordata. In this, enterocoelom is present. Enterocoelom, that is enough. So this is considered as the outline of animal kingdom.